Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing our first haul from Amazon, and this is a self-care haul, ladies and gentlemen. So I don't know about you all, but since COVID has started, I do not go to the nail salon. I don't go to the waxing place. I just kind of do it all at home now. So I went on ahead and I purchased some items off of Amazon, and everything that I'm going to be showing you will be linked in the description box below. So make sure you check that out if you like something that you see. Let's get started. One of the first things that I purchased, and I put this in my cart a long time ago, was the 100% castor oil for hair, skin, and nails. And I wanted to purchase this a while back, especially when my hair was a little bit shorter. And I wanted to, castor oil is one of the throwbacks. And so I wanted to, I really wanted it for my hair because I knew it was going to be a great product for hair growth. And so I wanted to try it out. Let me see how it smells, because when I was growing up, this thing was horrible. Okay, so I was able to get it open. Oh. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. It still smells. Yeah, I mean, yeah, gross. Anywho, so I'm so glad I don't take this anymore. Gross. I don't, do y'all, off topic, do y'all remember castor oil and 360s? I'd rather just be sick than to have to take that stuff. But anyway, it still got a bad smell. So, but I'm going to be putting, it's not so bad that it's going to be um it's not so bad that it'll be, you won't be able to manage it or deal with it putting it in your hair. It's not that kind of smell. I want to know if it's on the thick side. Let me just put, so it comes with this top so you all can see and you can pour it out. I'm going to put this top on it, and let me just pour a little in my hand. So it's not as thick of a consistency as I thought it would have been, but yeah, I mean, it doesn't make my hair, I don't know. Anywho, this ain't no try on haul, so let's just go on and move forward. But it is kind of on a, yeah, I like the smell, but we're gonna use it on our hair anyway because it's good for your hair. I also think that this is something that I would be mixing with, like, I use Dove lotion, or Dial lotion, like the one that comes into the little bucket. I also have the bottle, so I would mix it, especially during those harsh days, and put that on my body at night when I get out of the shower. And again, it comes with this as well for the pump, if you want to use the pump versus pouring it out. And of course, you have the regular top that it came with. And I bought 2 of those. So off topic of Amazon, I did purchase these vitamins from Home Shopping Network, better known as hsn.com. Healthy hair, skin, and nails. And this is not a sponsored video at all, but these are the vitamins that I use every day, and I normally take 2 to 3 a day for my intake. It has 5,000 mcg of biotin, and we all know that biotin is supposed to be one of the vitamins that help to grow your hair. So this is what I take. So the next thing that I purchased was this little pouch, and it's basically a manicure kit, and you just pop it open here. Something's rattling in it. Came out. Oh. A cuticle pusher came out of its little slots. We're gonna put that back, and it comes like, oops, it comes like this. So I needed something like this. I mean, I have quite a few tools already, but I needed something that, was small. Also something that I can carry with me if I'm traveling or whatever the case may be. Because I was gone for Christmas, and like 4 nails popped off and I wasn't able to fix them. I had to wait till I got home to fix them, but that's neither here nor there. So something new to me that you all may have heard of already is called the Cuticle Eliminator. It removes cuticles in seconds. It looks like that. I've never seen it before. I was just browsing, of course, like everybody else does. And I was like, let me try it. I like to see this stuff got a smell to it. No smell, but anyway. So I'm going to try this and see how it works. And of course, I'll let you all know. But instead of having to constantly be cutting my cuticles, supposedly you can use this and just push the cuticles off versus trying to cut them. Now, one of the things that I was most excited to get was a new drill. Currently, I have been using this drill that I also purchased from Amazon last year. And it's nothing wrong with it. It is a good drill. The only downside to this drill versus the drill that I got is that you don't know the speed that you have it on. You just have this little dial right here, and you have to kind of gauge, your speed on the dial while you're drilling your nails or filing, whatever you're doing. So this is the one that I've been using. And this is the one that I bought. And I got mine in this pretty pink color. Here's the actual drill itself. It plugs in on the sides right here. And of course, we got our plug. We're going to test our merchandise real quick. So you can already hear it. Oh, it also comes with a little pedal if you want to use the pedal instead, I'm assuming, of this. So basically, you can hear it and you just turn the dial. Before I show you my last thing, I purchased some scissors. I don't know about y'all, but scissors disappear in my house. And every time I go to look for some scissors, I can never find any. So I just purchased some new scissors. So the last thing I purchased was a wax warmer. I have been using this all-purpose honey wax, and I like it. I love it for my eyebrows. You can see it's basically almost gone. And I didn't want to purchase any more until I basically almost ran out of this. I will only be using this for my eyebrows from now on versus what I want to do with this wax warmer. So with this wax warmer, I am choosing to, do my underarms, because with that wax that I currently am using, you can put it under here, and if it's too warm, or should I say too loose, because I like it's supposed to be warm, but if it's too loose, if it's not the right consistency, and when you put it on your underarm and you go to pull it off, because I have to also put a wax strip on. When I go to pull the wax strip, nothing will come off. And so then I have to wait for it to cool, put another wax strip on, wait for it to cool down, and then rip it again, and then maybe something to come off, or the wax to come off, and then I have to do the whole process again, but wait for it to actually cool down. And then of course you got your hoo-ha, and anybody got time to be dealing with all of that. We need to be able to get this stuff off in one. We need to be able to get this stuff off in one rip versus having to go back and put ourselves in all this type of pain. No ma'am. No ma'am. So this wax kit that I got, it's called the Ephemera Wax. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. And it came with 4 sets of beads. Blue, gray, yellow, and pink. It also came with a pre-wax oil and an after-wax spray as well. And it came with, of course, I don't want to take it out of the box because it's a lot, the wax warmer itself. And so it also came with, I found tongue suppressors and then the little smaller ones. So I guess if you are doing like a smaller area, or for your underarm, you can do that with no problem. And then I went and purchased more tongue suppressors because I'm not that. I mean, I've become better with it, way better than I used to be. But when it comes down to, one of the things they say is it's unsanitary, and it's my wax. Nobody else will be using it. But if I dip it, you're gonna do like this, and then you're gonna put it on there and then throw it away because it's unsanitary to keep using the same, keep dipping, like double dipping with your food. It's unsanitary to double dip with your wax. So I brought more wax suppressors, but most people, because it's their own wax and nobody else is using it, they just double dip. So it is what it is. But that is all that I have for today. That is my small little Amazon haul. I hope that you all loved it. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen. Bye.